Everybody doing this is part 2 of the windshield washer motor install. The Napa part number for a 2018 Mustang GT 6655043. So you recall the Salvage Mustang project, old motor was junk, didn't work. So grab the plug out of here. There. Snap it in. And then what I did is just drop it down in there. Re-access it from the wheel well. There you have it. It comes with a new grommet, but I don't think there's anything wrong with the old one. So you're going to take it, orientate your nipple towards the wheel well. That's the way that it pumps. There's your line there. Take it, put it in that way, 45-degree angle, push down. Until it clips in. Take it, push it in so it locks in. Make sure your grommet is even. Spin it. Take this. There's no special fitting or anything, just a compression fit. Snap it on, you'll hear it click, and then that's it. We'll fill it up with some windshield washer fluid and make sure it works.